So good morning class. Today we will tackle about the aspect and tenses. We will define what is a tense and the categories of a tense and also the different kinds of aspects. So are you ready? Let us start now. So I discussed a while ago that we will tackle about tense, the definition of it. So tense means time. And time can be the past, the present, or the future. So we will tackle what would be the meaning of present, what will be the meaning of past, and the future. So let's go for the next slide. Past, present, future. So the past is used to describe the things that have already happened, or it happened a while ago, or it happened a month, a days, or a weeks before the present. So the present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now, or the things that are continuous, or like what I am doing right now. It is the present time wherein I am talking to you guys. So the next is the future. Future tense is used to describe the things that have yet to happen, or the things that we want to happen, the things that we want to achieve for. That's how future tense do. But English has only two tenses, the past and the present. However, we can still learn about the future. We will just don't do it by changing the verb forms as we do with the past. We will discuss future using the auxiliary verbs will and shall by using going to and by other means. Linguistics is a useful science. Because it is science, it needs numerous precise terms that enable its students to make fine distinctions about the function of words in different languages. The question today, class, is how many tenses does English have? As I Google it, it has three tenses, but in other forms, they just say that English have only two tenses. So the answer is, it all depends upon whom you ask and what meaning you attach to the grammatical term tense. Learning present tense is also learning their indicated present forms of the three key verbs. Our three key verbs are do, be, and have. With do, the present is indicated by do and does. With be, the present is indicated by is, and are. With have, the present is indicated by have and has. It is important to know what kind of forms you will use in a verb. It is because you will identify what kind of tense it is. Present tense has third person singular or the third person using a present forms. The present tense is indicated by the present forms of the three key verbs, the do, be, and have. The third person singular subjects he for the boy, she for the girl, it for the things or objects. Use the verb form ending in s. He, she, it for does. He, she, it for is. He, she, it for has. So third person singular, we use it by using the verb form ending in s. We identify right now that the does, is, and has the ending s or the letter s in the ending of the word. As we continue, the third form of the present tense of the verb be, which is are, is used for plural person subjects you, we, and they. The pronoun you is used for both plural and singular subjects. We used are with both singular and plural you. For example, Richard, you are teaching us English. Subject you is equals to Richard is singular. We do not use are with singular nouns. However, even though we do when we use a pronoun for the same subject. For example, Richard is teaching us English. Subject Richard is singular. So let us go along with the past tense. Past tense also have the three key verbs. that is important in our lesson for today. These three key verbs are the do, be, and have. With do, in the past tense, it is indicated by did for all persons. With be, the past is indicated by was for the third persons and were for all other persons. With have, the past is indicated by had for all the persons. Learning past tense with your indicated forms, you will use it up in changing of verb forms by using this kind of past tense in their indicated forms. So past tense using their indicated forms, you will use it by means of the persons who will speaks or who speaks. If it is all or it is many or it is just the third person who is speaking. As we understand tense means time, right now let us define aspect. There are four aspects in English grammar: the simple aspect, continuous aspect, perfect aspect, and the perfect continuous aspect. Remember, class, that aspects tell something that is finished or ongoing. So my other group mates will report to you the four aspects in English grammar. So thank you for listening.